So I'm walking north along the beach. This is up towards the little pueblo of Akumal. I'm gonna walk up here and I'll show you where on the other side of this dive shop is there's a road that people can drive in from the highway and park along there and then hike in to see the bay here. Guessing about 80 degrees. Not a whole lot of clouds in the sky. This is our third full day here. Best weather of the vacation so far. A little bit of a breeze. Very humid. The thing about this beach is, well, you can see there's a little bit of seaweed. Right in front of Secrets is free of seaweed entirely. It's gorgeous. I don't know that I've seen another place that has a beach that's this clean, especially back by our hotel. I'll go back there and show you what it looks like. One thing I will say about this beach though, from the resort, you can only walk maybe 10 minutes in this direction before you run into the seawall that you've got to leave the beach and get up on the road. And similarly in the other direction, it just is, the beach is not as well manicured as it is in front of our hotel further to the south. So again, we're heading north. You can see we're almost to the end of the line. This is the area where you can go up this road, cross the highway that comes from the airport and go into the old town of the pueblo of Akumal. So we're about to the end of the line here. So I'm going to turn around and go back. I'm guessing that was only about a 5 to 7 minute walk. Let's head back to our place. So I'm back to in front of the Secrets property. We'll walk along the beach here, heading south. But you can check out how clear the beach is of seaweed. There is no seaweed. So it's about 10:15, 10:20 in the morning, and you can see it's pretty busy already. Again, this is a public beach, so these folks are probably not from Secrets. They're from, I don't know, a tour group or whatever. Those loungers are part of the Secrets property. All those brown towels are Secrets, but folks that are down here on the beach itself are not part of the Secrets property. And Secrets does have quite a lengthy beach. I'm sure I'd be able to walk, I don't know, 3 or 4 minutes before I get off. Okay, you can see coming up is the security guy. He is about midway through the Secrets property, and in the distance I see a secret security dude right on the edge of the property as it goes into the next resort. But this is still all Secrets. You'll be able to tell when we're going to the next property because the color of their towels changes. So it's obviously right up here. You can see the sign, and here's our secret security guy. So that's the Secrets property beachfront. A lot of beach. So this has been the place that we hang out. This is our little beach bar. We've been coming in the mornings. The bar opens at 10. And we've just set up camp over to behind it, kind of. So there's our bar.